Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome and I hope you are doing well. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this beautiful fluffy butterfly locks. Okay, so with that said, let's jump right into the video. So for today's video, I'm going to be using this passion twist hair right here. I bought 2 packs of the passion twist hair, and also I'm going to be using 1 pack of braiding hair for this tutorial. So right here I have a hairbrush and gel hair oil for my scalp, ratty comb, and some clips. So first thing first, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the braiding hair. So I cut the braiding hair into 4, and next I pull on the end for extra length. So you can cut it to however length you want your locks to be. Okay, so moving on, I've already went ahead and detangled my hair off camera, and also I've applied my hair products off camera. So the next step now is to make the section for the braid. So right here, I'm going in with my rattan comb. I'm going ahead to make a section for the first row of braids. So for the first row on the back, I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be making 3 braids on the back on the first row. So after making the section right here, I'm going ahead to apply a little bit of oil on my hair, and also I'm going to be applying that on my scalp. So next I'm going in with the gel and I'm applying that on the root. So after applying the gel right here, I'm going ahead to separate my hair into 3. So right here, I went ahead and took the amount of hair I need for the braid, and next I'm going to separate it into 2. So you can separate it into 2 or into 3 depending on what you want. So to do the knotless braid method, you need to start by braiding your own hair, making sure you have a firm hold on the roots of the hair. So once you make sure of that, you need to take the braiding hair and place it in between your index finger and your thumb, just like this, and go ahead and braid the hair. Braid a little bit before going ahead to add in the second piece of braiding hair. So right here, I'm going ahead to add in the second piece of braiding hair. Doing the same thing, I place it between my index finger and my thumb. So I just braid the hair halfway, not all the way, and apply some of the gel on the ends of my hair. So when doing the box braid, the next one on top need to fall between the space on the bottom one. Okay, so I went ahead and did the rest off camera. So here it is. Look at that beautiful, neat base to start with. That is beautiful. So to start, you can fold the passion twist hair in half, just like this, if you're planning on doing a short butterfly locks. So for me, I am doing a long butterfly locks, and I want this hair to be enough to wrap the whole braiding the braid. So right here, I'm going ahead to hold the short side of the hair with the braid, and with the long side of the hair, I'm using that to wrap my hair, to wrap the braid. So I make sure to wrap the hair a couple of times around the roots to have that firm hold and secure hold on the roots before going ahead to do the butterfly lock method. So if the hair you are using is a very slippery hair, what you can do, you can use the crochet method. You can use the crochet hook to pass the short side of the hair through the base of the braid before going ahead to wrap the braid. So that will help to secure the wrapping hair in place. Okay. So doing the same thing, you want to make sure that you have a firm hold or firm wrap on the roots of the hair before going ahead to do the butterfly locks method. So to do that, you just need to use your thumb to separate the hair and push some of the hair out of the way while you wrap the hair, just as I'm doing in this video. So once you wrap the hair to the bottom of the braid, the next step is to fold the hair over and tie a knot to secure it in place. So once you tie the knot, you need to wrap the remaining hair upward. So right here, slowly go ahead, tie a knot to secure the hair in place. So next, you need to use the hair and wrap the remaining one upwards. So tying the knot will help to secure the locks in place, which will also help to give you a long lasting hairstyle. So doing the same thing, you want to make sure that you have a firm hold on the braiding hair and the end of the wrapping hair. So also you want to make sure you wrap the roots of the hair a couple of times to make sure it's properly secured in place. So to do the butterfly locks method, you need to take your thumb and use it to separate some of the hair just like this. Push it out of the way and go ahead and wrap the hair. Okay, so once you're done, let go of that one and wrap again. Doing the same thing, using your thumb, use it to push half of the hair out of the way and wrap the hair 2 to 3 times and let go. So before going ahead to open the second pack of passion twist hair, I decided that I want a bit of color for this butterfly locks. So I decided to make a coily hair from scratch, to make some coily hair. I have a separate video showing you guys how I did it, so I'll put the link in the description box down below. If you haven't seen that video, go ahead and check the description box down below. The video link will be there. My goodness, I am so glad I changed my mind and decided to add colored hair to this hairstyle. If not, I wouldn't have had enough hair to finish this butterfly locks. So I end up using the 2 packs of hair that I bought plus the extra hair, extra coily hair that I made from scratch. I used everything. Nothing was left. Can you imagine if I didn't decide to add the colored hair and I just decide to use only the 2 packs of hair that I bought? Oh my God, I would have left myself hanging. Not really hanging, though I still have some like regular straight braiding hair at home. I would have made a DIY coily hair. But I'm just saying, if you're gonna do this hairstyle and you're not planning on making your own coily hair, I would say buy 3 or 4 packs of hair to make sure that you have enough hair to finish your hairstyle. That's if you plan on doing a long hairstyle like this, like the exact one in this video. But if you plan on doing a short one, 2 packs of hair should probably be enough. 2 packs of the passion twist hair should probably be enough. Although it's always best to have extra pack of hair set aside just in case you need it, you know you have it. Or and especially if you're living in a place where you can just run to the store to pick up the exact hair that you want. So when you place an order online, you always want to make sure you have extra. Whew, almost done. This got only one braid left. I'm just doing my little victory dance. Oh my goodness. So if the braiding hair is longer than the length of locks you want, so before you wrap all the way to where you want the length to be, you need to take your scissors and cut off what you don't want. That you need to cut the braiding hair, not the one you're using to wrap the hair. You need to cut the braiding hair, cut off the extra length. Okay, so take some of the curly hair, hold it together with the braiding hair so that way you can wrap it all the way down to where you want the length to be. So once you get there, you need to tie a knot before no, sorry, you need to fold it over, fold the remaining hair over and tie a knot to secure that point in place before wrapping upward. And if there's extra hair, you can always wrap downward too to secure it in place. So, yep, this is the last one right here, looking beautiful. All right, guys, so this is the final result right here. Look at that. So beautiful, and it's not so full, just the right amount of hair, and I love it. And it's not heavy, it's super lightweight, no tension at all, like no pain, no tension at all, and I love it. Okay, so we've come to the end of today's video. I hope you find this video helpful. I hope you enjoy the video. If you do, please give it a big thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Just hit the subscribe button down below, all right? And if you already subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you all so much, and have a blessed weekend, and I'll see you all in my next one.